guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to be back with another haul video. I hope you guys will like it. Before starting this video, I just want to hope and pray that every one of you is safe out there because the situation is really bad. Please stay home, guys. Please stay safe. So yeah, now let's begin with our video and let's start with the Urbanic summer haul. Now I bought a lot of stuff from Urbanic for summer season, but the only issue that I had was the delivery. I had thought that मैंने एक बार और I think Urbanic से order किया है winter haul जब मैंने किया था, but that time also the delivery was pretty slow and I had expected कि अब finally the delivery will be much faster because a lot of people know about it now. But no, there is no improvement in the delivery. It took around 20 days to get delivered. To get it delivered fast, I dropped mails. I had chat sessions with Urbanic to get it delivered fast, because in the app it is written that your item, once it is ordered, it will be shipped in 3 to 5 business days. But my item was not shipped. I think 15 days इसको लगे होंगे सिर्फ ship होने में, and then deliver होने में कम days लगे हैं. So if it could have been shipped a bit before, then delivery could have been improved, but delivery sucks. So what you can do while ordering, it's a hack. I think whenever you order, there are, I think, 2 sections which Urbanic has divided now, and the first one is fast delivery, the second is normal. So fast delivery will deliver your item in 3 to 5 days, I think. Because I ordered a piece of jewelry which was in fast delivery and it got delivered in 3 days. But the only thing is कि fast delivery मैंने check नहीं किया जब मैं clothes order करी थी, so it took a lot of time. If you want to get your items delivered, please select the items जिसमें fast delivery option हो, because they are, I think, delivered from India, within India, so it will be delivered in 3 to 5 days. But if you're not choosing fast delivery, it will take a lot of time. I think 20 days तो मान ही लो, you just sit back and relax. Forget that you've ordered something. So I'm just going to start with my favorite piece, which is this pantsuit. I am in love with this. This is, my favorite from the lot. These are the pants. It has this check pattern and I love these things, I never had a check pattern anything, I think, not even a shirt, so I love it. The only thing that I didn't like are the shoulder pads. I mean, I like the shoulder pads, लेकिन ऐसे एकदम it's just on your face, like थोड़ा finishing का issue है इसमें. And the other thing that could have been better is pockets. They don't have pockets. I don't know, if you're making this flap kind of thing on a jacket, why don't you just add a pocket? I mean, but apart from that, great piece and I really, really love it. All the prices, सारे products के, I'm going to be writing it down right over here or here. And I'm going to also be, adding the link in the description box for all the products. The second thing is a crowd favorite. I want it on, and I have shared a picture on Instagram and everybody loves it. Even I love the color. I mean, color, this floral pattern and everything, it's so summery and such a good vibe, wearing this. It's perfect. It's perfect, and it also has this elastic at the back, taki, it fits you perfectly. I am in love with this. This is also one of my favorites from the lot. It's perfect for summers and the kapda is also pretty nice. It's not that cheap material. So the next item is also a quad set, but the only, I think it has a disadvantage, and that is the top. I didn't like the top that much. You can see it for yourself, guys. I mean, at least it should have been a little bit more, the breadth, because someone who has big boobs, unke liye it's not going to fit. It's going to look odd, and even if I wear it with a bra on, wo niche se, that bra ka end, it shows. So I just don't know how I'm going to style it, because, and it looks also kind of cheap. It's not. Yesterday I wore it and it has a skirt, and मैंने इन दोनों को join करके, I think, as a dress पहना था with a belt. It still looked better, but as a different piece, I mean, अगर बीच में gap है, this thing right over here, it shows. I don't like it that much, but कुछ ना कुछ कर लेंगे इसका. I don't know the return policy actually of Urbanic. I don't know कितना time लगता है. If any of you have ever, returned an item and then what did you get back? The cash back, or you ordered the another product? Please mention so that I can, in the future, if I get something like this, I can return it. The next product I got only for the sole purpose of traveling. Airport look ke liye, I think not even a look, just to be comfortable on an airport, because I had plans to travel. I think अगर ये कोविड सिचुएशन इतना बुरा नहीं होता, I would not have been in India right now. But I don't know when it's going to get better, and now if I'm going to get that chance to travel or not, I don't know. But yeah, I got this tie-dye set, co-ord set. It has a loose t-shirt and jogger pants with it, and it's pretty comfortable. I've worn it. I really like it. It's perfect for airports. It's trendy and yet not uncomfortable. It's super comfortable. Next item is also a cute summery dress. It's this one, and I really like this also, but the only thing is iska bhi breadth for the if it comes here तो ये यहीं पे it gets over, okay, and then थोड़ा सा which makes me look fat, I think. I'm not sure. I mean, you can check it for yourself. It does, it's very loose. I kind of like that, but अगर ये वाला portion थोड़ा सा और broad होता, it would have been better, क्योंकि just under boob में you would have gotten this elastic, so it would have been a little bit cinched around over here. But no, but I really like it. It's easy breezy, flowy, and perfect to get that twirling pictures. Next, I got a very basic skirt. It's this one. I actually never had a skirt like this. मेरे school में भी we had tunics. We didn't have skirts, and I used to envy people from DPS because DPS वालों की skirts and all, they were very cute. I really like that their uniform. So I got this one कि finally अब तो मैं skirts पहन सकती हूँ. Just kidding guys. But I really like it, and the fact that I can style it in 100 ways. I mean, I look for the clothes जिसको मैं अलग-अलग तरह से style कर सकूँ. That's why I love co-ord sets actually, because you can style it in so many ways. So that's why I bought this skirt to style it. I think I'm going to pull it off pretty well because it's very basic and can be styled in thousands of ways. Next two dresses are bought by my sister. It's hers, but I'm going to include it in my haul because why not? We share clothes, yeah. Who doesn't? Okay, this is the dress that she got. This is the first one, and it has a tie right at the back above the elastic thing, and it also has a chain. I love the sleeves because statement sleeves are a thing right now. I love it. I love the length. It's not too long, not too short. I love it. But the only thing I don't know if it will fit me. So probably my sister's going to wear. To show how the dress looks. Check it out for yourself. Pretty good. Pretty nice for summers actually. I think मुझे mostly इस बार I think everything that I bought is floral. I'm into florals this summer, guys. So the next piece and the last piece of clothing is this dress. It's also a full-length midi dress, and this is how it looks. I love the V-neck. I'm obsessed with V-neck, guys. And these are the sleeves. It has kind of elastic over here. I love the sleeves. This is a size medium. I think we could have gone for a slice. I think we could have gone for a size down because small काफी अच्छे से इसमें आ जाता. This is I think a bit loose to her, but yeah, it's good. It's fun for summers. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you for watching guys. I love you. Hope you're safe. Stay healthy. Bye.